Want to make money with creating and uploading AI animation videos like this? Imagine creating stunning AI-generated animation videos that rack up millions of views and turning that engagement into real income. Right now, creators in this niche are earning thousands of dollars every month, with viral videos bringing in a steady flow of revenue. The best part? You don't need expensive software, a big budget, or advanced skills. With AI, you can produce high-quality videos for free, and it takes just 10 minutes to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating viral animation videos that capture attention, build an audience, and generate income. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 unique stories featuring a dragon and a small boy. This is just an example for this tutorial. You can request stories about any topic you like. ChatGPT can generate creative and engaging story ideas in seconds. Once ChatGPT has generated the stories, carefully read through all of them and select the one you like the most. After selecting your favorite story, ask ChatGPT, "Give me 24 scenes of this story." ChatGPT will instantly generate a structured breakdown of 24 scenes from the story, helping to visualize the flow of the animation. Once the scenes are ready, ask ChatGPT, "Convert all these scenes into image prompts and make sure to include 3D animation Pixar-style in each prompt." ChatGPT will now transform every scene into detailed image prompts optimized for AI image generation, ensuring a stunning Pixar-style 3D animation look. Now that you have generated all the image prompts, it's time to ensure character consistency throughout the animation. Ask ChatGPT, "Write detailed character appearance descriptions for consistent character image generation." This step is crucial because it will provide a clear visual reference for all the main characters, ensuring they look the same across every scene. ChatGPT will generate highly detailed descriptions of each character. These descriptions will be used later to generate consistent character images using AI tools, making sure the boy, dragon, or any other character remains identical in every frame of the animation. Now that we have detailed character descriptions, it's time to refine them for consistent image generation. Copy all character descriptions from ChatGPT and paste them into Microsoft OneNote or any text editor of your choice. Go through each description and remove any unnecessary details or sentences that don't directly describe the character's appearance. Make sure each prompt is clear, concise, and focused on the character's look. This will help generate the most accurate AI images. Now, we'll create one image per character to get an idea of how they will look in the video. Open Leonardo AI and click on Image Creation. Select the Phoenix 0.1 model for high-quality results. Set the style to 3D animation. Set the image size to 16:9. Copy the first character's refined prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI's prompt box. Click Generate, and Leonardo AI will create the first character image. Repeat the process for the other characters until you have a complete visual reference for all the main characters in your animation. Leonardo AI has successfully generated all the character images. Download each image one by one and save them. Next, insert them into OneNote or your preferred software and organize them alongside their corresponding prompts. This will ensure a clear reference for maintaining character consistency throughout the animation. Step 2. Now, I'm going to generate the main images for our story. In this tutorial, I will only explain the first 3 prompts in detail. The process for the remaining prompts will follow the same steps. So make sure to watch carefully and understand each step before proceeding. Copy the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Before clicking Generate, carefully read the prompt and check for the character details. Since the boy in our story is Leo, replace the generic character description in the prompt with our pre-prepared description of Leo for consistency. Once the prompt is properly updated, click Generate to create the image. The generated image perfectly matches our character description and maintains consistency. Download the one you like. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it into the Leonardo AI prompt box. Carefully read the prompt and check where the boy is mentioned. Since the boy is our main character, Leo, replace the generic description with Leo's pre-prepared description for consistency. Once the prompt is updated, click Generate to create the image. Now, you can see that Leonardo AI has successfully generated the image, and it matches our character description while maintaining consistency across the visuals. Let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the third image prompt, and paste it into the Leonardo AI prompt box. Read the prompt carefully because this time there are two characters, the mother dragon and the boy. To ensure consistency, replace the generic descriptions with our pre-prepared descriptions. First, copy the mother dragon's description and replace it in the prompt. Then, do the same for Leo, replacing any mention of boy with Leo's detailed description. Once everything is set, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create the scene. Oh, let's move on to generating the rest of the images by following the same process for all the remaining prompts. Take your time to read each prompt carefully, one by one, and identify the characters mentioned in the scene. For every character in the prompt, replace their generic description with the pre-prepared detailed descriptions we created earlier. This step is crucial to maintaining visual consistency, ensuring that every image aligns perfectly with our story. By doing this, all characters will have the same appearance, style, and details in every scene, making the animation look seamless and professional. Once you've updated the character descriptions in the prompt, click Generate and review the images to ensure they match our vision before moving on to the next one. Keep repeating this process until all images for the story are created. Step 3. Open Kling AI and navigate to the AI video section. From there, select Image to Video and then choose the Frames option. Now, upload the image that you want to transform into a video. Once the image is uploaded, carefully describe the scene in the Kling AI prompt box, ensuring that it aligns with the story and captures all the key details. After entering the description, click Generate, and within 2 minutes, Kling AI will process the image and convert it into a smooth, high-quality animated video. Now, upload the next image that you want to convert into a video. Once the image is uploaded, carefully describe the scene in the Kling AI prompt box, ensuring that it matches the story's details and maintains consistency. After entering the description, click Generate, and Kling AI will process the image, transforming it into a high-quality animated video. Now, continue uploading each image one by one to Kling AI and follow the same process for each. Carefully describe the scene in the Kling AI prompt box, ensuring that it stays true to the story and maintains character consistency. After entering the description, click Generate, and let Kling AI transform your images into high-quality animated videos. Repeat this process for all remaining images until every scene in your story is converted into smooth, cinematic animations. Step 4. Now, open CapCut and import all the video clips you've downloaded from Kling AI. Drag each clip one by one onto the timeline, arranging them in the correct sequence to match the flow of the story. Once all the clips are properly arranged, import the background music to enhance the storytelling. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the 24 scenes from the previous conversation. Open a new tab in ChatGPT and ask it to generate a short voiceover script for the story. This script will provide narration for your animation, making it more engaging and immersive. Now, let's generate the voiceover in CapCut. Go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Copy the first few lines from the voiceover generated by ChatGPT and paste them into the default text box. Click on Text-to-Speech, then select a female voiceover option. Choose the Adorable Girl voiceover for a warm and engaging narration. Click Generate, and CapCut will instantly create the voiceover. Now, repeat this process for all the remaining voiceover lines until the entire story is narrated. Once you have added the music and voiceover, the next step is to add captions to the story. Go to the Text tab in CapCut and select Auto Captions to generate subtitles automatically. Once everything is in place, finally, export the video in 4K for the highest resolution and best viewing experience. Your stunning animation video is now ready.
High in the misty mountains, young Leo stumbles upon a glowing egg. Its warmth pulsing with life. Suddenly, a massive golden dragon lands before him, her sorrowful eyes pleading. "This is my last egg. Will you keep it safe?" Overwhelmed but determined, Leo places his hands on it. "I promise," with a final nod, the dragon vanishes into the mist. Carrying the egg home, Leo hides it beneath his bed, but strange whispers echo from within. Soon, mysterious footprints appear, and cloaked hunters arrive, searching for a rare treasure. One stormy night, the egg cracks, revealing a tiny dragon with golden eyes. "I'll call you Oryx," Leo whispers as a hatchling nuzzles against him. As Oryx grows, the hunters return, forcing Leo to flee into the forest. An old hermit leads into a hidden valley, a lost sanctuary for dragons. Years pass, and Oryx learns to fly, breathe fire, and defend himself. When the hunters come again, the young dragon unleashes golden flames, driving them away for good.
And that's it. You've just learned how to create a stunning AI animated video from start to finish using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Kling AI, and CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI content. Let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.